This is TidyAcademy, your go-to destination for mastering Tidy's suite of software solutions. Whether you're a seasoned user or just starting out, TidyAcademy is here to guide you every step of the way. Our bite-sized written guides break down each feature so you can focus in on learning the areas most relevant to you. But hold on, if you're thinking that this is a lot of reading, don't worry. We know that everyone learns differently. That's why we also offer short demo videos for those who prefer visual learning. So where to start? You might begin with our full product demos to get the flow of everything, or check out some frequently asked questions. Or you can head straight to the section you want to learn. Click on Product Documentation, select your product, then choose the category and topic. Let your learning journey commence at academy.tidyinternational.com.